Hi everybody, I'd like to share with you our presentation today on whatever this is. These are slides from the Slides Carnival template, so I can't get credit for these really cool slides. I do want to talk about our first transition headline, so we'll start with our first set of slides about this awesome topic that is extremely vague. And here we'll throw out a quotation because quotations are a great way to inspire an audience. So how about this for an awesome quotation? Next, we'll look at this subtitle or slide title, and we've got a bulleted list, and we would keep it short and sweet with this slide, wouldn't we? And this is one of my favorites, a big concept. So here we have a way to bring the attention to our audience to a key concept. And I think I'll wrap it up with that. So thanks everybody for watching these demo slides from Slides Carnival. I hope you have enjoyed this presentation. Thanks so much for watching.